Hey everyone. I'm going to go over quickly how to create an invoice manually, as well as how to release an invoice to the customer, void the invoice, and mark it as paid. And I'll also show you how you can see how much you have invoiced so far. So here, I'm going to start on the invoices page because you can create an invoice right from here. But I do want to show you that up here, you can see that you have the amount invoiced here that you've already done on this specific project, last approved amount, price, and the original customer amount. So I think it's really important that you know that under invoices, you can see right here how much is invoiced. I'm going to also now show you how to, let's say you want to void right here. You can void it even after the fact, but you can also invoice something in the process. So I just want to show you that. But let's go back to the invoices and let's create a manual invoice. So right here under new invoice, in the top right hand corner, you'll see by amount. That is the best way to do it. Either here or I'm going to show you the second way by the budget page. But as this creates, it's going to bring it up and it can be anything that you need it to be. So let's say they want to add a shed. All of a sudden, they've decided that they want to add a shed in the back. Fine. You can do the cost code. So let's do, and we're going to go to, 15. All right. And then you can add tax here. So I'm going to hit save really quick. Now let's just say that you're like, oh man, that was not the right price, wrong code. Totally fine. Again, the button right here is mark as void. You can mark that void, but I'm going to go ahead and release that to the customer. But before I do that, I do want to remind you that you can have the columns here. Don't forget to add any, change the invoice number or the invoice, be more specific, the name. You can add a description, terms and conditions, and add files. But go ahead and release it. And as this is preparing, it has been released to the customer. I'm just go ahead and you can mark up paid right here in the same spot. So you can do full, partial, here's a payment status. You're going to record the payment amount and it has paid. So let's go back to the main invoices page. There it is. Okay. And this is again under invoices where all of your invoices are. Now I'm going to go to the budget page. In the budget page, I do want to show that you can view a summary. Okay. Again, another place that you can see what the changes have been. So don't forget about that view summary in the top right corner. Right next to it is the new invoice. Here, again, you can create an invoice manually up the top right-hand corner by amount. I hope you all found this helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to your customer success coach. Thanks so much and have a great day.